Welcome to this additional tutorial series designed specifically for administrators. In this series, we'll explore all the key settings and features you need to effectively manage your office. By the end, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of how to navigate the tools that keep your office running smoothly. Let's start by locating the Admin panel. On the left navigation bar, you'll find the Admin button. It's the last item on the list. Clicking this button opens the Admin panel where you'll see several sections. The first section is Accounts, which is the focus of today's tutorial. When you click on the Accounts section, you'll be taken to a page that displays an overview of all user accounts. At the top, you'll see a total count of accounts, which is further divided into active and archived accounts. Active accounts represent users who currently have access to the application and are billed on a monthly basis. Archived accounts, on the other hand, are those with revoked access. These accounts are not billed, but retain their historical activity for future reference. At the top of the Accounts panel, you'll notice a search field. This feature allows you to quickly find specific accounts. Simply type in any part of a name, and the list will dynamically filter to show matching results. This makes navigating large numbers of accounts much more efficient. Clicking on any account takes you to the Edit Account page, where you can modify its details. Here, you'll see general account information along with a few important tools. Two buttons stand out: Reset Password and Sign In History. The Reset Password button sends a password reset email to the account's registered email address, making it easy for users to regain access. The Sign In History button provides a detailed log of the account's last login activities, offering valuable insights into user activity. Below the email address field, you'll notice a verified label indicating that the account setup has been successfully completed and a password has been created. The Status section allows you to deactivate an account, moving it to the list of archived accounts. This ensures that all historical data remains intact while disabling access for the user. Another critical section is Timekeeper Settings. While we won't dive into this feature just yet, we'll cover it in detail in an upcoming tutorial. For now, simply note that it allows you to configure timekeeping options specific to each account. Finally, you'll find the Permissions section, which gives you full control over what parts of the application the account can access. After making all necessary changes, remember to click the Save button to ensure your updates are applied. If you look to the right of the Accounts panel header, you'll see the New Account button. Clicking this allows you to create a new account. Once you save the account, the entered email address will automatically receive a welcome email with a link to complete the setup process and create a password. That's a complete overview of the account management process. By mastering these steps, you'll be well equipped to manage your office's user accounts efficiently. Stay tuned for more tutorials that will continue to enhance your admin expertise.